Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to blur a photo in Instagram story. So let us jump into it. The first thing you want to do is go over to the bottom of this page and you'll see a plus button. You can see now that we have a photograph. We're going to just photograph this wonderful mouse here. And what we can do is we can go over to story on the bottom of the page, and you are going to scroll over here at the bottom. You can see that there are a bunch of different effects, and you're going to scroll all the way over until you get the browse effect, and you're going to tap on that. Now once you go in here, you can actually go ahead and search for blur. Now you can imagine that there are quite a few blur effects. You can see here that there are different types of blurs, so you can go through and have a look for the actual blur effect that you would like. Let's just go ahead for this smooth blur. We're going to take that one there, and we can now go ahead and we can take our photograph. So we're going to go like that, and we are going to snap our photograph, and this will now put that blur effect on there. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now post this story, and you can also add images onto this image and use this one as a background. If you enjoyed this video, you can drop us a like. We will see you next time. Goodbye.